All right, we're gonna knock out a quick unboxing here before the sun fully rises and before I even brush my beard. So I'm looking to replace this old tripod. It's got these kind of wobbly legs. It's kind of losing its steam and it's just really cheap. So let's replace one cheap tripod with this cheap tripod. $6.98 at Walmart. It's the pistol grip tripod. So I've been using this and holding it as a grip. So I was looking for something that you can actually hold and that would also function as a tripod. Again, found this one at Walmart. I picked it up when I bought the tripod, the full-size tripod. Check out that video previous to this one here, and I give that one a review. This one was $6.98 at Walmart. I'll leave the link right below, and here's a picture of it. Let's go ahead and get it open. One pack. Oh. Something else tucked in there. 2 packs. We got another. We got the grip, the expanding grip. So now I also have one on this, so you can take and reuse these. There's nothing wrong with this. So now we can have a backup. We got our instructions here. I like to give them a quick glance. You can zoom in on those if you like. Let's pop it out. Okay. So first off the bat, it's nice and compact and it's secure. I don't really know how to get it open, but there's this button here. There we go. Got a button. This is the part where the instructions come in handy. Oh, you just use a little force and it's locked in place. Now you got your pistol grip. We'll go ahead and we can add the phone to that. I think if you press these, and that gives you this angle. I see what you do here. Spread, 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 like this. And now, you have your tripod that way. Cool. I like it. This is perfect. It doesn't go as high as this tripod. But it has that pistol grip functionality, and that's really what I wanted. So I can carry this when I'm doing in-store visits, reviews, just kind of want to point and shoot. This will work perfect. Push in and down. And now you're pointing and clicking, shooting. You got your grip. Switch your angles. And then split it right up the middle. And now you have your tripod. Make sure you push your red buttons. And now you have your mini tripod. Vivitar pistol grip tripod. $6.98 of all places. It was at Walmart. Check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, if you made it this far, you're an absolute legend and a real one. Thank you so much for the support. Take a look at my channel and some of the other videos that I've posted, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot of new content on the way, and I just can't wait to share it with you. Thanks again.